Hello guys, Python programmer back here with another video, and in this video we are going to talk about lists. So in your Visual Studio Code, start a new program and type what I am typing. So first you are going to put a variable such as name, and then, or you could do number equals, and then you're going to want to do brackets, and then you're going to want to do 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. And then you're going to want to do print, and then number. So, and then what you can do is this will print the list, and that's good because we can get the list. We can just obtain it at any time. Now let's try another example. So letters equals A, B, comma C, comma D, comma E. And then print letters. And what this is going to do is it will print A, B, C, D, and E. And then the last thing you're going to want to do is save your program. So, if you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe. We have plenty of more Python tutorials and tips coming your way.